on. Clear. Come on, baby. No, we're gonna die. No, you're not. Never fear. Captain Spoon Dogs. Oh no, Captain Spoon Dog, we gonna die. Don't worry. You can't see the wings because Wonder Woman's plane was invisible. You wanna fly with me? No, Captain Spoon Dog. What are you doing? Choke, baby, choke. Oh, there's only a few hundred feet left. Oh my God. Oh, we're dead. Oh, baby, not yet. The pilot never gives up until impact. We're less than 500 feet. I just learned to read the altimeter. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, baby, this just ain't good. Wow, my truck lights just turned on. We really did that. Huh. Well, let's try one more time. A little bit of choke. Oh, baby. Oh, it's just been a winter. And I know I didn't make any videos because I've just been so busy working out all the shit in my life. All you gotta do is start before I put your visible wings on. This is fucking well, oh my, I miss my wings. I can't see the sun too well. Oh, we may have died on the first go around, but the engine still starts. Old Dalis and Black Goose, we'll be joining you soon up there in the friendly skies.